Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the easy Redstone add-on in Minecraft. First, ensure the add-on is correctly installed in your world. This powerful tool simplifies complex redstone, allowing you to build intricate contraptions with much less effort. It introduces several new blocks and items, making automation more accessible and efficient. Whether you're new to redstone or a seasoned builder, this add-on will significantly enhance your building experience, saving you valuable time and resources. Let's dive into some of the core components of the easy Redstone add-on. The Redstone link is incredibly useful for wireless signal transmission, eliminating the need for long, visible redstone dust lines. The Redstone repeater offers adjustable delays from 1 to 4 ticks and ensures signal strength. For precise timing, the Redstone timer can be configured to emit pulses at specific intervals. Finally, the Redstone activator provides direct power to adjacent blocks, simplifying many setups. Now, let's build some simple circuits. Imagine connecting a Redstone link to a pressure plate, then linking it wirelessly to a Redstone activator powering a door across your base. You can also use a Redstone timer set to a 2-second delay to automatically dispense items from a dropper. For a basic piston door, a repeater can delay the signal to an activator, pushing or pulling blocks. The possibilities are vast. Just start experimenting. For more advanced builds, consider using multiple Redstone links to manage several independent systems from a single control panel. Integrating Redstone timers into your automated farms can optimize crop harvesting or mob grinding, ensuring maximum efficiency. The add-on also provides specialized blocks that allow for incredibly compact and efficient logic gates, saving valuable space. Remember to always test your circuits meticulously. Even a small error can disrupt a large system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.